Are you all still together?
Yes, ma'am.
You say yes, then, and then you look to the side, right?
Oh, yes, ma'am. We are.
All right, this is what the court is going to do, as previously stated. I'm not following the agreement that you all have reached on this motion to revoke. She's looking at a maximum of 10 years. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court will sentence you to...
This entitled criminal picked up an unlawful carry charge with a felony on her record, and the way she carries herself in this hearing is wild. Her whole demeanor is smug, dismissive, and like she doesn't think any of this applies to her. You can just tell she's sitting there convinced the system has it wrong, even though the facts are stacked against her. Now, she didn't admit to being in a gang, but just the way she talks and acts makes it feel so obvious here, especially with that tattoo on her neck. I mean, just the little smirks, the short answers, it's almost like she's proud of the image here. To me, this is someone who thinks probation is just paperwork, not something that can land you 20 years if you mess up once. What do you guys think? Is she deep in a gang or just playing the part? Let's dive in and watch.
Are you Ms. Hutchinson?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Punishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Notice how the judge starts off with something personal. Relationships, stability, family ties. That's not small talk. Judges ask these questions to see if a defendant has a support system, which can be the difference between probation and prison.
Lower the fine.
All right. And who is Lisa Lara to you?
She's my girlfriend.
Are you all still together?
Yes, ma'am.
You say yes, then, and then you look to the side, right?
Oh, yes, ma'am. We are.
Right.
She's in the courtroom.
Okay. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
When's the last time you used?
Well, I'm currently on the negative.
All right. This is what the court is going to... Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
What are their ages?
I have a 21-year-old, a 20-year-old, and a 17-year-old.
And the 17-year-old, does he or she live with you?
She lives with my father, and I'm going through a CPS issue with my ex to receive joint custody from us.
All right. And then Lisa Lara, does she have any children?
Yes.
And what are their ages?
One. Boy, he's 16.
All right. And where does the 16-year-old live?
He lives with her father.
Do you have any grandchildren?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
How many?
I have 2.
And what are their ages?
5 and 6.
And do you see them?
On a regular basis. My daughter just got married and she moved to Fort in Kentucky with her new husband.
Quick legal check-in here. She's facing 2 to 20 years. That's a wide range. And yet, she answers with short yes ma'ams like it's a routine doctor's visit. Would you be that calm staring down 20 years? Or is this just denial at work?
What has she done on probation?
The only thing that Ms. Hutchinson has done on probation has been to provide her DNA sample as required. Sorry. She was reporting. She reported last May 7th of 2025.
She had been reporting the previous.
Right. I'm saying last reporting is on that day.
All right. So here's my question. Has she done her parenting classes? All right. Did she obtain employment?
If I may, she was doing the parenting classes through CPS. She has a CPS plan because she's trying to get her child back through CPS. So she's doing the CPS classes through CPS. She has a CPS plan. So she's going through CPS. So she has a CPS plan. So she's doing the parenting classes through CPS.
All right. So how long has the CPS case been open? Was it open before this case?
Yes.
So I don't understand why the court has received a new number 1. She knows she has a CPS case, but she's picking up a new charge and she's not following through with the conditions of the court. I don't understand why I should follow the agreement to continue her.
Because I think she wants to.
All right. You want to raise your right hand?
Oh, this should be good, because she's already sitting on a theft charge and apparently had another one just a few months back. Thankful for her, the court waived one of them. That doesn't erase the pattern. I mean, it just means she's got lucky for once. Let me tell you, luck runs out fast when you're keeping these stacking up. I mean, addressing the card issue is basically digging a deeper hole. Because the papers don't lie, and nothing she's done on probation gives her credibility. Probation is like a test run for freedom. You show the court you can stay clean, follow rules, and prove you deserve another chance, but this lady has literally done not a single one of those things. And it just shows in her whole attitude here. I mean, the smug look, the short answers, it's also just the way she shrugs off responsibility. It's the same playbook every time with this girl. What people don't realize, especially people like this, is theft charges are not minor, especially when they stack up. Specifically probation, like you're just looking at a lot more time. Honestly, I think the smartest move here would just to be own up to it. But honestly, I don't think she's built for accountability, so let's just dive back in and see.
You solemnly swear from the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Alright, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. Alright, why is the only tangent thing that I see from you is that you're picking up a new charge?
I know it doesn't reflect in the probation report or whatever, but since then I keep terribly sober for 9 months. I do believe that the issue wasn't me being sober. I got sober, but I was still doing the same things. I was hanging around the same people. I didn't change my surroundings or my friends, but I continued to do the same thing. I'm just asking for a chance to get freedom and not go to prison. I do have a order of something I'm doing.
Alright, so here's the thing. I don't understand why people don't think of their children before they pick up new offenses. I'm not following the agreement that you all have reached on this motion to revoke. I'm going to grant the motion revoke. Does anybody want to speak their time? She's looking at a maximum of 10 years.
Just we need to confirm. Following the recommendation from probation and the state originally wanted, Ms. Hutchinson is before the court. She verbalized that she needs help. She's asking the court for help. It's not often that a defendant in court, when they are asking the court for some help, she is asking for help also with CPS so that she can get help from CPS. It's well known that addicts relapse. That's not uncommon, and that's what happened with her. And because that happened, she picked up other offenses. The state of Texas is willing to give her an opportunity, so I'm re-urging the court to give her that opportunity. She's not asking for you to release her. She's asking you to send her to inpatient treatment so that she can get some help. That's what she's asking. And so I'm re-urging the court to do that.
The court, as previously stated, is citing violation condition number 1 true, and the court is going to grant the motion to revoke. Does anyone wish to speak to time?
I believe that we will be going open on that. The state understands the defendant is facing up to 10 on this NTR. The other case that will be before the court shortly had thoughts. Basically, the state is thinking you pled true to number 1, you're facing 5, or facing 10, the state would ask for around 5.
Judge, we're asking the court to sentence Ms. Hutchinson to 2 years to state.
Alright, this is what the court is going to do. The court was
Classic defense strategy highlights stability, a job, a place to live, helping family, even cleaning apartments. The goal? Convince the judge this person deserved probation. But here's the kicker. Employment helps, yes, but it won't erase a felony gun charge.